Okay, my very first YouTube video. That feels a bit, I don't know the word to use because I mean, I've been trying to do this thing for the longest of time, but I keep postponing and pushing, saying that, okay, yeah, till I get the best equipment, till I get this, till I get that. So here I am today, finally in your faces. And I'm hoping that you guys would also, welcome me into the audience of so many. All right, let's dive in straight up. So, yes, my name is Moon. I'm a fabricator, I am a designer, I am an artist. I also love business, yes. I've been fabricating for the past 14, 15 years, thereabout. Yes, and I've also been designing for that time frame. Um, I never thought I would become a designer, like a product designer, basically. Um, I do love, and that whole idea, I kind of saw some gaps, in the fitness industry, and that concept, basically, I'm from Nigeria, yeah. So while in Nigeria, Lagos, I saw a couple of those issues, and then I thought to myself, if there's a possibility I could fix some of them. And I came up with an idea for most of it, but it didn't really fly. So I thought to myself, okay, you know what, we'll just let it go. But um, recently, I stopped going to the gym and I was hoping to, work out from home, but I couldn't find anything to give me the same effect, just like a commercial gym. Now, another thing is we live in Lagos, Nigeria, where you have very minimal footprint. When I say footprint, I'm talking about space, very minimal space. So I am kind of restricted, buying a full block of equipment to put in the house. I mean, I might as well build one. So I thought to myself, maybe I'll just build one for myself. And that gave me an idea, and I designed a simple yet compact home gym equipment. It's a wardrobe style home gym equipment. So these are the blueprints basically. Um, yes, I have designed them already, and I've designed it already. And this is the blueprint, that will guide me and my guys to see how we can fabricate this and bring it to life, and then possibly see how we can start a business of this. I do realize that a couple of people would really, really appreciate something like this in their space. So, yes, this is the beginning of something interesting and something new. Um, this will definitely be my first time trying to build a product that I am going to try pushing forward. So, yes, I would really appreciate if you guys can join me in the whole process. You know, I have already started the design already, yes, but I get to show you guys how the whole design looks like and all of that. And then in the whole fabrication process, I get to keep you guys in touch, you know. So I really appreciate your comments and, ideas if you possibly can share a couple, in the whole process when you look at it and when you look at the videos and all of that. So, yes, that is my plan. And yes, I'm also new to this, so I really appreciate if you could, you know, drop a comment to, say cheers. Thank you. Bye.